Trust that heard ones that in dire times when you need a sign, that's when they appear.
Looks short, don't it? But it's all good. Had to get it trimmed, get some stragglers cut out. Got the ends a little darker. Get that green out. Got them green out. But so it's almost 8:30, and then I'll be out the door, back to the crib. So let's give you a little sneak peek. Probably won't keep these in long because I want to see how long my hair is. So maybe I'll take these out on Sunday. All right, y'all. We in the car on the way home. It is 8:54. So what y'all think it looking like? I look like a little girl, but it's just because it's all twisted up. And I got these little balls on the end. Rome probably gonna hate it. But like I always say, it's the style before the style. You know, it's the do before the do. The main do is when you unravel all this cuteness. And he forgets that immediately. What is this in the road? Come on, people. Ugh. All right. So, yeah, I'm never concerned about the first style. Like, I don't even tell her what to do unless I'm requesting an up hairstyle when I put it all up. So, this right here, I don't necessarily like this particular style. I get the purpose, and this is cute. But when I get home, I'll probably just put it up in a ponytail or something, you know, just pull it up, something, you know. But it's cool for me because it's done. That's my concern, is that it's done. That's my concern. My concern is that I don't have green hair. That's my concern. So, and she made the ends a little darker. So that's cool. So I look like a little Shirley Temple little girl right now. So everybody and they big ass dogs is out. Like, I done seen a pit bull, I done seen a Rottweiler, I done seen a big ass Great Dane. Like, why are all the big dogs being walked at 9 o'clock? Like, what's going on? Like, the big shitters, the heavy hitters, you know, hitters and quitters, bars, you know. I do's this. So, yeah. I know some of y'all are gonna be like, girl, what did you do to your do? What did you do? Why is your hair looking crazy? That's all right. So, maybe I'll let y'all see the authentic reactions from the boys in my house. Or I can just lie to y'all and say they loved it and they be like, oh, this is trash. But I'm gonna do it. So I'll see y'all when I get back, because there's nothing going on other than me driving my ass home. So we see in the next one. All right, y'all, so I just parked. I wonder if anyone is even awake right now. It's 9:29. So I put it up. If you guys can see. So I just put it up in a little quick something to lessen the blow. So we'll see what happens. It's cool out here.
Yo, he just jumped on the thing.
You guys awake? Hi, Mommy. How you feeling?
We're playing with Daniel right now.
It's early. Y'all gaming already?
It's because of that school schedule.
Yeah, I know. The school schedule got y'all up early.
Wait, let me get the orange.
So we had no response for here from the boys. So can we get this together? All right, well, 2 down. 1 to go. He's waving. I was trying to get your authentic response to my hair.
Cut it off.
Cut it off.
You got balls in. You have balls now.
I have balls now. If you don't know, that is one of Rome's favorite phrases to say. It's going to be something with balls. Yeah, it was all down, all over, but I figured I'd lessen the blow for you and have it up in some kind of style so that you could actually see and not just be like,
What? What did you do that? Well, I would be like, you
oh,
cut.
no, because let me unwrap it for you so you can see how it looked before. You wouldn't understand. I felt you wouldn't understand. Given the fact
Why
that
she put the knot? Why you got the balls on?
it's just something to look cute.
Okay.
But
I like it the other way though.
I see. I told you like it the other way. See?
Yeah. You look like a little kid.
That's what I said. I look like a little girl. I look like a little Shirley Temple girl.
You going to second grade?
That's why I go into the second grade. So that's why I said I would put it up. But I'm not caring about this right now because once I unravel it, it'll be nice and cute. I set my next appointment for December 4th. So it'll be closer to
my birthday.
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah. So I said anything later than that, it'll be too late. And because folks be getting ready to go to
we gotta go back out this.
Yep, they understand none of that. So how's my baby?
Harassing side.
I'll be back. Rome says that I can no longer tell colors, and I'm colorblind. What does this look like to you? Does that look green? Does that look gold at the end? That look green to me. Maybe because I got a green shirt on, but that looks green. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm glad my hair is done. I'm glad my hair is done. Hair dance. Hair dance. Wait a minute. Y'all did not tell me. Okay, so I'm catching up on Real Housewives of Potomac. And I'm watching the episode of last week. Yo, Mia's husband? Why just? Where's William? Ooh, girl, he is too turned in this episode right now. I'm gonna get back to it, but I had to check in. Ugh. I don't need him doing the reenactments of the Boom Boom Room, talking about the white girls at the strip club. Honey, girl, bye. Oh, baby cup. I need more than that. I got bad news. Because I believe, how about this one? It's big enough. Oh, you hear that? You hear that coughing? Think I'm getting sick. Throat hurts. Still at home. It is Wednesday. I thought I was going to be immune. I thought I was going to avoid the cold that my child has had for the past 4 days. I thought I was going to escape it, y'all. My head hurts, my throat hurts, the back of my neck hurts. I'm tired, I'm overwhelmed from work. Overwhelmed from doing virtual learning from home with Sire, who got his COVID test yesterday, so he can go back to school tomorrow. October is just, I'm over it. I didn't change anything. Why are you asking me that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I was doing so well. What is this now? Online and part-time learning. What? I'm not going to that meeting. I'm done. I have another meeting at 10 that I am going to decline going to. I have another meeting at 3. Jesus, help me, Lord. I just, God. And now the waffles popped up. No rest for the weary. Y'all hear that? I got my window open, or balcony door open. Y'all, we got to talk about this Real Housewives of Potomac situation. Like, I am so... First of all, let me just set the tone. I'm here for Candiace and her shenanigans and all her smoke, because she is one girl that is not going to let you talk to her any kind of way. And what I find most disturbing, I'm getting my tea. I'm at home. I'm all alone. My babies is gone. They went back to school. Mama homesick, as I told y'all, and then gave me all the hugs and kisses and left me with the sniffles and the sore throat. So, trying to do that with my tea. So we gonna get into this when I get this tea bag on. So we're gonna sit down and talk about it. I can't do this with this bag on, with my hand holding this phone and things. I'm shaking like a Polaroid picture. All right, y'all steep y'all tea. I steep mines. I steep my tea. All right, so yeah, I'm swagged out with my paraphernalia on. But yeah, so we'll get out on the balcony, but y'all might not hear me. That'd be a nice little vibe. Let's see if these cars ain't acting up today for me to get a good little sunbathing. So yeah, Mia. We're gonna talk about Mia. Mia is so proud of herself and all her accomplishments and all her business savvy, business ventures, whatever, how she done came up, she done glowed up, all of that. Kudos to you, boo. However, that does not give you the right to talk about anybody else. And let's be clear, across the board, every one of them, all of the ladies are shady. So don't think I'm just picking and choosing. I'm not. All of them shady as hell. But what I don't like is that you pick and choose when you want to be offended by something. Now, granted, her talking about her mama, wrong across the board. But you entered the chat room for the smoke. So when somebody comments back, replies back, and comes for your neck, you cannot and should not be surprised. Like, I don't understand. You called her video low budget. Now, whether that was accurate or not, should you have stated so? No. And so, since you did state so, you got a clap back. It's a stink bug walking around on my rail out here. He trying to get the tea. He pulling up like, hey, let me get a comment. But yeah, like, you're not going. You hear that? You're not going to run up on Bama's with your comments and act like you're not going to get, a cease and desist letter clap back. Like, I don't understand that. I don't get it. And all of them do that. Like, they all say slick shit and then be all clutching their pearls when someone say some shit back. And they say some shit that's deeper than what they said. Then they want to act all like, why you say that? You disrespecting me. Bitch, you said something first. I don't get it. Now, her saying it was an equal rebuttal, her saying your mama's low budget, when she said her, really? I'm sorry, the stink bug is on my screen now. Anyway, equal rebuttal. No, it was not. But any rebuttal at all that you receive from saying something shiesty, savage, shady, get your guns ready, get your arsenal intact, because they're gonna come for you. Now, you don't always know how they're gonna come back at you, so be ready. Don't be salty when they do. Don't start shit if you don't want shit. Kills me. Is she feisty? Is she young? Did she hit below the belt? Yes, Candiace does. However, if you don't want the drama, don't say shit to her. It's all about the delivery. Now, if she would have said, now, I'm used to being on sets like this, or how can we do better your next video, or how did you feel about how you were received, how you were treated, how things were ran, that's something different. That's coming from a business mindset to be helpful, to be encouraging, to have solutions. You saying that her shit was low budget? That ain't the way, sis. It ain't the way. So, yeah, I'm all for Candiace's clap back. All of that shit that she talking about her damn, pimp and her husband and all that, because she always is throwing that shit in everyone's face. She's throwing all about the money she makes. She's talking about what she even her husband. All of that. She says all of that. I'm checking my time on my phone here. But yeah, because I'm still on the clock. I'm on the JOB. So, I don't get it. I don't understand. Don't start none, won't be none. I mean, everybody knows that. She opened the door for the smoke. Candiace walked in, served her with a good plate of "you not gonna fuck with me today" entree. So, I'm waiting to see what Nicki Minaj gonna do in this reunion, because y'all know she hosting it, right? I'm ready to see. Like, I need somebody to dig into the people that start shit all the time and then act like victims, because Candiace is not a victim. She responds, she replies. Now, how she does so, maybe that can be altered, but don't put all the blame on her, because that shit ain't fair. So, that was my rant for the morning. I'm going to get back. I'm going to get back and drink my tea. So I just served y'all some Housewives tea, some Potomac tea, and it really had something, because this is my state, Potomac, Maryland. So this season, this particular Housewives series, like, because we had one that had the Real Housewives of DC that had one season. They ain't paying out too well. They ain't paying out. So they tried again. So get my C, get back to my JOB and things. Where is the light? Where is the sun? Where is the sun? Where is she at? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she, boo-boo? Oh, I gotta come all the way over here? Nah, we ain't doing it. We ain't doing it. So. Oh, I disturbed this stink bug. He got mad at me because I disturbed his area. So, yeah, but I mean, how y'all feeling about this season? I mean, it's winding down, but that should be bothering me. Like, every time somebody have something to say, why she act like that? She ain't do this, she ain't do that. I'm just like, yo, it's not fair. No one ever tears Mia down. Like, I agree with her when she was outside with Chris and she was like, she been coming for everybody since the jump. She just got here. She just got to this series and she starting shit already with everybody and don't nobody say nothing to her. And what you're not going to do is disrespect me. I feel every bit of that. Now, how you deal with it, like I said earlier, it can be altered, but you're going to get something back. Candiace ain't no doormat. That part. Don't stay on the path. Sebastian said he wanted to walk through the woods. So we, pay attention, are walking through the woods.
Yeah, it's so amazing.
It's so amazing.
So I decided to go to the woods with my family because I love my own family. Because I liked it going to the woods because it kind of looks cool. I will watch out stuff that will hit me. I will go around them so I can be safe.
Good job. It's raindrops. So we made it to the 0.6 mile mark. So we gotta hustle back to this car.
Yeah, and it's so far away that we have to go back.
Yeah.
Look, let me hold the thing. Wait. Look. There's Daddy and Sarah trying to find. I like this.
You like this? In these trees, man.
I have these in my hands.
So that's taking up all your time. You can't enjoy things because you got a water bottle in your hand.
No, I'm
Give me
fine.
another water bottle, sorry. Really?
This ain't really your flow anyway. You don't like nature. Hence the silence. Radio silence.
I don't like, no, you already know. I like crackheads, brick houses, corner stores, Chinese food stores, liquor stores, and check passing places. This right here will kill me faster than any of that.
She's not a fan of the nature.
I did it because I love my children.
Rome is a city boy. Be careful. Nice recovery. Nice recovery. Child almost died.
I got some of those. Not very good. Back slow down.
Sebastian, be careful. You gotta walk slower. We're going down a hill, so it's easy to just, your momentum is not actually where you're trying to set it.
I'm still doing good.
You're still doing awesome. Amazing. We're gonna come up to the bridge soon. Okay.
Do not stand there for long because they could break.
Yeah, it's true.
Here comes the bridge. Yay. We made it. Made it. We made it. Made it. Made it. We made it. You see our footprints when we? Do you see our footprints when we're walking back?
You sure? I do see them.